Jet Airways is the interesting one in trade. Mind you, the stock is up and about on account of the deal, but the day after striking that stake sale with Etihad, Jet is planning a top management reshuffle. For more, we're joined by Kartika Trehan. Kartika, thanks for joining in. So what are the management changes that are likely to happen at Jet?
Well, absolutely. After clinching that deal right now, the company is planning to go in for a reshuffle. What we understand from our sources at this point in time is that Nikos Kardassis, who is currently the CEO of Jet Airways, is likely on his way out, and he is likely to be replaced by Hamid Ali, who is currently the acting CEO and also handles the operations and the Vice President of Operations and Engineering at Jet Airways. So he is likely to be replaced in the place of Nikos Kardassis. Let me also tell you that Hamid Ali has been one such person who has also been advising Naresh Goyal for most of his overseas actions and also the operations, and especially in this particular deal, he has been one of the consultant and advisor to Naresh Goyal as well. So this is one key management change that is likely to happen soon. We also understand from our sources that Chief Commercial Officer, who is Sudhir Raghavan, he is also likely to be on his way out. He is also likely to be replaced. Sudhir Raghavan was the CCO plus also the board members of Jet Airways so far. So this is one of the most key changes that we are seeing. We also understand that from Etihad Airways, there could at least be 3 board members in place. Now, they are likely to be James Hogan himself, who is currently the CEO and the president of Etihad Airways, and also James Rigney, who is currently the CFO of Etihad Airways. These are the likely key change points who have possibly likely to be on the Jet board. Let me tell you a little bit about Hamid Ali. Hamid Ali has been for 31 years. He has an overall 31 years of experience in flight operations and engineering. He's also worked for 30 years in Gulf Air, and he has been with Jet Airways since October 2007. Key advisor also to Naresh Goyal in most of the operations and engineering stuff. So this definitely makes sense for Naresh Goyal to bring him back on the board and also make him the CEO. In fact, if you look at the press release that the company has filed yesterday, it clearly states that he has been one of the acting CEO and the primary member also in the signing of the entire deal.